The National Weather Service in St. James has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Phelps County in central Missouri, Crawford County in central Missouri, Marys County in central Missouri, Pulaski County in central Missouri. Until 6:15 p.m. the Central Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. the CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Roberts and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near St. Roberts around 5:15 p.m. the CDT. Rolla around 5:30 p.m. the CDT. Cuba around 5:35 p.m. the CDT. Sullivan around 6:00 p.m. the CDT. Street Clair around 6:05 p.m. the CDT. Other locations in the warning include Merrimack River and Little Prairie Conservation. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.